This is Satya Pradyuman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of the Global Positioning Report is titled Asia Focus, Opportunities in Japan and Asia Pacific as Top-Line Growth Settles. And the story here is that we continue to be very cautious about Asia, specifically the geopolitical risk, the economic risks associated with China and its really ability to sort of create contagion across the regions. That is something we've been dealing with in the last couple of years. What we're finally starting to see is some sort of divergence. And in this chart, what you're looking at are a couple of things. One, on the left panel, is a look at the revenue growth or the earnings estimates for growth in each of these regions. And what you'll notice is the forward year estimates are now starting to become somewhat revived for both Japan and Asia Pacific. Notice it is not the case for China. And so this separation is what we think creates an opportunity for the Asia Pacific region in general. So importantly also is the right panel. What we're also noticing is that of the three markets, Japan is reflecting very strong trending support. So this performance has really been, it really got triggered last year. And what we foresee is that if the earnings forecasts are right and the top line growth stabilizes, this creates a very favorable backdrop for both Japan and importantly Asia Pacific. This curve, this candlestick bar here also does a good job of representing where the world is globally in terms of the profit cycle. And what you'll notice is that 8 of the 10 regions currently reflect well below average growth. The important thing is that we're starting to see some of that settle and reverse. And it's important to note that markets like Japan have already begun to come back a bit. And in fact, Asia Pacific is now also separating from where China is in the current stance. So the opportunity we think in the global portfolios and the EM portfolios is that to some degree, we need to revisit Asia Pacific because some of the fundamentals are likely to benefit. The dust is settling. And it allows us to continue to gain exposure without taking on China risk specifically. Take a look at the report, and as always, please feel to reach out to us with any questions. Thank you.